We would like to express our deepest gratitude for the incredible experience we had during our work immersion at Television. The knowledge, skills, and values we have gained will undoubtedly guide us in our future endeavors. A special thank you to Cap Randy and Cap Ramon for the valuable insights, lessons, advice, and values that we will carry with us on our next journey. To Chief, we truly appreciate everything you have taught us. And to Kuya CA, thank you for assisting us in everything and making our experience smoother and more meaningful. Your patience, guidance, and support have been had made a lasting impact on us. Once again, thank you for this enriching opportunity. We will always be grateful for the lessons and experiences we've gained. Wishing the Television Shipping continued success. Best regards, Game STEM students.
I think